If you're an anime fan, the name Neon Genesis Evangelion will not be unfamiliar to you. It's one of the early takes on the Pacific Rim concept where humans are piloting a giant machine to fight other giant monsters, in this case angels. So what if I told you that Oppo has made a heavily themed phone? I'm talking about the Oppo Ace 2 EVA, the limited edition Evangelion themed phone, which, typical of Oppo, happens to be one of the best special edition phones out there. All major manufacturers usually make a special edition phone, but I don't think anyone does it with the degree of precision and attention to detail as Oppo does. Even from the packaging here, it absolutely is nerd heaven. Opening up this very cool box, which is marked top secret by the way, you get this capsule looking thing. If you've seen the anime, you would already know that this is exactly resembling the entry plug which the pilots get into while they are injected into the mechas. Opening it up from the side, you are greeted with a semicircular package which is quite interesting, which has the phone on top. That's followed by a bunch of accessories like these custom made earphones with the Nerve branding on them. And there's this SuperVOOC charger which can charge up at 65 watts. Absolute insanity, I know. We'll talk about the specs in a little bit. There's also a custom made case which seems to resemble EVA 01 with cool font and branding like AT field on it. It all really takes me back to that era, you know. I mean, they have gone so overboard with the custom styling of this that even the SIM ejector tool looks like the Spear of Longinus, of course with a shorter handle. How cool is this? No other company that I know does this. They make the custom made phone, but the charger is just a plain white normal charger. Not Oppo though. I mean, just look at this thing. That beautiful matte finished purple colored gradient along with the signature green lines, the Evangelion branding, all are reminiscent of the anime itself. There's also a printed symbol of the Mecha 01 on the bottom. Booting up this phone, you can see just how heavily customized the theme is. I mean, you can see the silhouette of the mecha back there. Really amazing stuff. Of course, the software isn't the greatest achievement anyway, because anybody can install the custom theme and have their phone look like that. I'm more impressed with the hardware. Specs wise, the phone is still a Oppo Ace 2, meaning that it's powered by the top of the line Snapdragon 865 processor. There is 12 GB of RAM on the top model, 256 GB internal storage, a 4000 mAh battery which can be charged with a 65 watt SuperVOOC charger or even wirelessly charged with a 40 watt AirVOOC charger. That's pretty insane. There aren't many 40 watt wireless chargers out there, so I guess you'll have to buy it from Oppo. The 6.5-inch AMOLED display is Full HD+, and the cameras that you see on the back are a 48 megapixel main camera with the f1.7 aperture, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the two other cameras are for special effects. Unlike the special Gundam edition of the Reno 2, which was 30,000 units in total, this will be only a 10,000 unit stock, so it will be pretty challenging to get your hands on this if you actually want it for yourself. There's even an Oppo watch which is completely themed based on the character Asuka Langley, and I must say that I have never seen another smartwatch which is completely tricked out as the way it is. Starting from the theme to this absolutely amazing charging animation, Oppo has again gone all out on this. This will also be produced in the maximum quantity of 10,000 and will be sold at 21.99 yuan, which will be closer to around $300 US. And the phone will go for about $600, which is 43.99 yuan. That's a better deal in my opinion. There's also these Oppo wireless earbuds which are very minimally yet elegantly styled in the EVA fashion. They will be sold at 399 yuan, which is about $56. A fantastic purchase in my opinion. While all these three units will be produced at 10,000 units max, the custom-made 40 watt wireless charging which I mentioned, also completely wrapped in the EVA design, will only be produced 5,000 in total. So if you want to get your hands on those, then I think you're pretty much out of luck because I'm sure they'll be sold out by now. I started searching for this around the internet as soon as I saw this because I wanted to see if I can order one. I couldn't find any links, so I'm not sure if they are still in stock or not. These have been out for a week in China and fans will definitely gobble it up much faster than I can. I'm not a fan of Evangelion per se, but I really think it's dope that companies spend so much time and effort trying to get their products to match the aesthetics of a culture and a genre which has a fan following of its own. Anyway, in a market crowded with very similar looking phones, the Ace 2 Evangelion was a refreshing change. Even though it's limited edition, it's great to see the company's efforts in trying to bring this out to make 10,000 Evangelion fans very happy. So there you have it. That was your first look at the Oppo Ace 2 Evangelion edition. What did you think? Are you a fan of any such anime or TV show? What other kind of special edition phone would you like to see? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And until next time, take very good care of yourself and I'll see you soon. Cheers.